3 persons have now been charged with the murder of a woman who was gunned down in church. People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Detectives assigned to the Falmouth CIB have charged 3 men in connection with the shooting death of 51-year-old Andrea Lowe Garwood, a bank manager of Brook Manor in Falmouth, Trelawny, following an incident at a church on Market Street in the parish on Sunday, January 31st. They are 23-year-old Leon Hines, a storekeeper of Rose Heights, Montego Bay, St. James, who was charged with murder, illegal possession of firearm, accessory before the fact, accessory after the fact, and conspiracy to murder. 29-year-old Javon Garwood, otherwise called Janoy, who was charged with murder and conspiracy to murder, and Dwight Bigham, who was charged with murder and illegal possession of firearm. So people, if you're unaware of this story, it happened in Jamaica, Trelawny in Falmouth exactly. Last Sunday, people, where a gunman was in the church and he shot Miss Garwood to death, people. And now even the stepson has been charged for murder, people. You see me, I say, like, as I say, people, sometimes family can be a worst enemy, people, may I tell you. Because look at that. So that was her stepson and he was the one that organized it, people. So 3 of them have now been charged, and that's a good thing, people. That's a great thing, in fact. So check out this voice note of I got it from Nationwide News, talking about the incident and talking about the arrest, actually. All right, check it out, people. Much love and appreciation.
Jamaica Garwood. He is the stepson of the deceased. He is 29 years old, account analyst. He was charged with murder and conspiracy to murder. And Dwight Bigham, who was the alleged shooter, he was charged with murder, conspiracy to murder, and illegal possession of firearm. Leon Hines, who was the driver of the car, he is 23 years old and a storekeeper of a St. James address. He was charged with murder, conspiracy to commit murder, illegal possession of firearm, accessory before the fact of murder, and accessory after the fact of murder.